Dearly beloved, we're gathered here today.
I object!
Oh, for Christ's sake. Norbit.
Norbit!
Norbit!
This wedding is a sham, and I'm here to stop it.
Norbit, what are you doing?
I'm being a man for the first time in my life. Kate? Kate, I love you.
What the hell did you just say?
You heard what I said, strumpet. I love Kate. That's right. I love you, Kate. And the last 2 weeks I spent with you have meant more to me than my whole entire miserable life with you, Respucia. It's over. Norbit Albert Rice is no longer your bitch.
Ah, you're dead! Get your hand off me, back!
No, wait, baby girl. He's ruining our wedding. Let's just get back to the nuptials.
We just heard condom advice from an ex-pimp. I think we can survive a few words from Norbit.
Dion is a fake. He's marrying you just to get your money.
What?
Him and the Lattimores. They thought this whole scheme up. He's been married 4 times in the last 6 years to 4 different women, and he cheated the women out of $300,000 in divorce settlements. Yeah, I heard all about it. And something else. They were gonna try to steal orphanage from you. That's what this whole thing is about.
You crazy. He's got a big crush on you. He's making this stuff up.
Oh, yeah? I'm crazy? I'm making it all up?
Yes, you making it
I'm
up.
making it all up? Then what about this? Then it's evidence that I have. Ha, 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 ha. Look at this. This used to, before I fell in the pond, it had numbers and with information. There was people's names and dates and addresses and all kinds of incriminating things. But I fell in the pond, but you can't read it. But boy, did I have your ass.
That's nice, Norbit. Really nice. Did you write that yourself? Pathetic.
Kate, you have to believe me.
Yeah, believe him, Kate. Remember the one that got you to sign the papers to steal the orphanage? Remember that? Believe him. Go ahead.
I'm so sorry, Norbit. I just don't trust you anymore.
Well, Norbit. You lose again. Once a loser, always a loser, huh? Now, come on. Let's go.
Oh. Yeah, I thought you'd feel that way about it, Kate. And that's why I took the liberty of inviting some of Dion's ex-wives down so maybe they could tell you for themselves. Ladies!
Hello, Antoine. I've been looking for you.
Daddy!
Antoine? He told me his name was Luther.
Who is that hoe?
He told me he was gay.
Oh, no. Y'all got me confused with my gay twin brother, Antoine Luther.
You dead, gold digger. Get your butt back.
I'm out.
Looks like the wedding's off, bruh.
Shit! God damn it, Norbit! Oh, snap! Norbit! No! Mother Mary, Jesus! Noah! Joyce! Big black Norbit!
You going somewhere, Norbit? You messed up, boy. Now you gonna pay. Big time!
Light him up! Keep your butt cocked the heads off him!
Go back to your shop, Abe. I'll kill you two.
Hey! You're gonna have to kill me as well!
Yeah, and me too.
Respucia! Hey, dude!
I'm kicking the shit out of you!
Man, you goddamn bitch! Mind your business! Get out!
No, you didn't.
Bring it! Tail to the no! Miss Henderson is tripping, huh? You won't get to... You crazy little old bitch! How you Get out of the way! His ass is mine! Bishop. It's Bishop. You remember Death Do Us Part, don't you, Norbit?
No!
Whale hole! Did somebody just call me a whale? Yeah, I know hole! Bingo! Right in the bro hole!
Let's get some. We did. Oh, shit, come on. Oh, shit, oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.